So now that you understand all this stuff about Magic Zap, what I want to do is just go ahead and create our very first app, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. Even if you're not a tech wizard like me, that's okay. You're probably a marketing wizard, and I am not. So say hi to my monkey, by the way. This is how easy Magic Zap is to use. My monkey can physically, literally set Magic Zap up on his own landing pages, okay? He does have a course in case you guys want to buy it. At the end of this training, I will give you a link where you can buy George's course on, making the internet your boss with no monkeying around. So how do you create your first app? It's really easy. You're just gonna log into Magic Zap and you're gonna click this button right here. It's called Create a New Zap, all right? And you're gonna notice there's a whole bunch of different stuff here that you can fill out. And for the most part, we're not gonna fill any of that out. We're just gonna give it a name. I'm gonna call it New Zap. And that's gonna be it. I'm gonna create my Zap, all right? So that's literally how easy it is to create your very first Magic Zap. We're done. Our Magic Zap is created. It's a lot less painful than going to the doctor and getting a shot. We're actually done. Our very first app is created, okay? So we've got the biggest part out of the way. And in the future training videos, we're gonna go through and I'll show you all the other options and explain to you what those other options do and how to use them. For now, you've seen how easy it is to create your very first Zap.